You know that's a line from Swayze movie. Swayze always gets a pass.
But, well, you want some tunes or something? Here.
What would you say if I called on you now? Said that I can't hold on.
Sorry, man. Just leave it. It's probably going to be the only thing on.
Easy way. It's harder